Air cylinder. An air cylinder forces air along a piping system to operate the cylinder. It is mainly used in the suspension system and the wheel braking system of heavy vehicles. The cylinder unit contains a rod piston assembly that slides relatively to the cylinder. The cylinder and the rod end usually have a provision for a pin joint. The main parts of an air cylinder are the piston rod, the body, the oil pin, the connector and the end cap. Now you are seeing the complete exploded view of a air cylinder.